Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linds, and today, as you can see by the title of the video, we're going to be reviewing CoverGirl's new vegan and cruelty-free line, which I'm super excited about. I apologize, I already ripped apart the PR box, but it was really cute. It came with like a little nutritional fact on the side of the box. Focus, focus. Anytime now. There we go. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these products, and I was about to just dive in and do this without the camera, and then I was like, you know what, let's film this today. We'll do a quick little review. Quick little note is CoverGirl has been a favorite brand of mine since I was a teenager. I wore their makeup a lot when I was younger before I got into blogging and everything, but I'm really excited to see that they're on the vegan and cruelty-free line, which is super important to me, but I would say most people nowadays. And their lipstick, if you've watched any of my videos, is a holy grail of mine. I'm obsessed with this. It is the most moisturizing lipstick. I've tried all the Sephora brands, but the best lipstick, in my personal opinion, is CoverGirl. It's like wearing chapstick, and the color is like so pretty. My favorite is 255 Tempting Toffee, and CoverGirl was also so kind and sent me a few of these over to my place as well, because I sincerely have these in one of my purses, and like all my girlfriends wear this now because I'm so obsessed with it. But anyways, today we're going to be trying the Skin Milks, a cream blush, and a lip oil. It's a tinted lip oil, so let's get into this right away. So I always start with a primer with a little bit of SPF. So this is the Coola Dawn Patrol SPF primer. So my only concern is that I'm very fair, as you can see, and both these shades are quite dark for my face. I think this is the lighter one, so we're gonna go with that one. So 530 is in Fair Light. The packaging is pretty much the same as all the old CoverGirl. Most of the L'Oreal kind of packages their foundations like this too, which is super easy to use. It's plastic, it's squishy. I hate the glass bottles. It's impossible to get the last bit of your makeup in. I don't use a sponge or a brush or anything. I just use my fingers, so make sure if you do this that your hands are super clean. It's kind of just like a light formula. I feel like it's gonna be super similar to their old formula. I'm just hoping that it is glowy and like medium coverage. I'm not a big fan of super high coverage. Okay, so it's actually lighter than I thought it was gonna be, like looking at the bottle. So I might mix in some of the darker color, because that, even for me, is a little too light. So I'm just gonna mix in a little bit of the darker shade and add that in. Yeah, it's a little bit better. So it glides onto your skin really nice, and it feels really moisturizing. And so far, definitely not the lightest weight foundation I've ever worn. But in order to get the coverage you need, sometimes you do need to feel it on your face. But I would say, like, it definitely feels very moisturizing, and it's gliding on really nice. So obviously I have some more blemishes to cover up, but I would say it's a pretty nice coverage. I really don't like a full coverage. I think you kind of lose the look of your face and you just look like one-dimensional when it's a super high coverage. And I don't really like to contour anything like for everyday makeup. So yeah, at this price point, honestly, this is a really nice everyday foundation. It's a little bit more matte than I like, but I definitely will wear it. I'm just gonna kind of do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna get to the cream blush next. Okay, so I just did the rest of my everyday makeup without the blush, which was a very odd sequence. But if you're interested in my everyday makeup, I'll link the link for you below. So for this, I normally would use a buffer brush for any sort of cream blush or like liquid blush, but I can't seem to find my buffer brush anywhere. So I think I'm just gonna use one of these guys today. So we have Fresh Clean Cream Blush and 330 Sweet Innocence. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Love the pink, personally. And let's give it a try. I'm just gonna put it onto my hand. Ooh. It's almost got a metallic-y look to it. It's very pigmented, it looks like, so I'm only going to use a little bit. Again, I'm very fair, so the tiniest bit of color really shows on my skin. Oh wow, that bronzer needs to be buffed out. Ew. Girl. Let's get back to that. Okay, so it doesn't show as pigmented on my cheek. The only liquid blush I've ever liked is the Armani one. I just don't find they spread on your face or on your skin as nicely, although they do last longer. I feel like I need more color. I do love blush. Like, blush is honestly my favorite makeup product in the entire world. I think it just brings like life to your face. And I'm obsessed with like Paris style and Paris beauty, and blush is a really big thing in France. I don't know. It's almost like, I do have a ring light on right now, mind you, but it's almost like too metallic-y for my face. I do already have a highlighter on too, but oops. Do they not look very different colors? I don't know how I feel about it. What I normally use on my cheeks is these little pot blushes by Bourjois, and it's a very matte kind of blush. These things last forever, but it's like a really rosy color. I'm gonna go ahead and say this isn't my favorite. I just don't like the metallic tinge to it. It's gonna make my cheeks really rosy, but I just want to see what the color is like. Yeah. The foundation is a yes, but the blush is definitely a no. I'm just gonna get a cotton pad to relieve that color because it looks like I have paint on my cheeks. Okay, I think I judged too soon. I went into the washroom to wash off some of the blush, but in the natural light, I think it's actually a lot prettier. So maybe the cream blush is a yes, but it definitely doesn't work for like glam or ring light or anything. I think it would be more of a everyday if you're not wearing highlighter. If you skipped the highlighter and it did like a very matte eye like I have right now, I think it could be a really pretty glowy blush. And the last product we have to try is the Fresh Clean Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in color, I don't know. Oh, 150 Sour Grapes. So that's the packaging. And this is the brush. So I don't know, it's like a purpley color, which is not really what I wear. I wear nude or red on my lips only, but we'll try it. It smells, oh wow, it smells sour. The color's called Sour Grapes, and it like Smells like sour candy. I like how it feels. Like, it feels very glossy. Let's go back to the natural light because I really don't trust this lighting over here right now. So I'm already adjusting to my hair being really dark, so I'm kind of trying to stick to my normal natural makeup. I do like the formula of the lip, but in the natural light it doesn't look as purple, does it? But it's still a smidge darker than what I'd normally wear. So I would definitely try another color in this, but also would not wear this color personally. Alright, so I just pulled up all of the prices for the products and where you can buy them in Canada. So the skin milk you can buy on Shoppers Drug Mart. Shoppers is my go-to drugstore, and I figured you guys probably like Optimum Points as much as I do. It is currently on sale for $7.99, but is regular $10.99. So compared to like some Sephora products, I would say this is really good price point for this kind of quality of makeup, and not to mention it is cruelty free and vegan, so we love that. The cream blush was really tricky to find. It's not on Shoppers, it's not on Rexall, it's not on covergirl.ca. Well, it's on covergirl.ca, but it doesn't have a price, and I finally found it on Amazon. So it's on amazon.ca and it's available for Prime delivery, and it's regular $10.79. Although I didn't like love this one, I would be really curious to try this color. It's $3.70 in Butterflies, and it's just more of like a muted pink. I think it would suit my skin tone a little bit better, so I would be curious to try this color. Although I wasn't the biggest fan of the metallic finish, this one looks like something that I would like. And the lip oil is available at Shoppers for $10.99 and comes in 4 different colors, and it actually comes in more of like nudie colors, like light pinky colors, which are more my style, and I think I'll probably buy one just to try out because I love CoverGirl products, and especially their lips. So that is my review. I have to get going because I have the rest of my day to get to, but all in all, it's a very natural, pretty, everyday look, and very inexpensive, cruelty-free, and vegan. So bravo, CoverGirl. I'm very excited for you guys. Congratulations on this line, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!